What is the max number of cables that you can run through one chase?
Typically speaking, with Romex 3, 3 is ideal for, it's an 1.25 chase, and so it's 1.25, 1.5 chase, and so 3 works out really well. The fourth one becomes difficult. So in that case, if you need more than that, we can run another chase. The other thing to keep in mind is if you want a low voltage chase, maybe you want to run a security system or speaker wires or camera wires or something along those lines, maybe in a different location. With low voltage, the recommendation is that it can cross high voltage, but they don't want them to run parallel. And so having them in a different chase, even if they cross the Romex in some locations, that's fine, but they don't want them running in the same chase. And so three pieces of Romex, or the wire that I showed in wiring those walls, and then a separate chase for low voltage.